Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove or replace Google Assistant from lock screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. While locking your phone and when you try to unlock your phone, there will be left shortcut and right shortcut. Okay, this left shortcut called as Google Assistant. If you swipe up from the left shortcut, it will open. Okay, so Google Assistant is opened without locking into your phone. Okay, so if you would like to replace this left shortcut, that is Google Assistant, with the other one, or if you want to completely remove this Google Assistant on lock screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here first, and then go to home screen and lock screen, and here select lock screen shortcuts, and just here select other option. Okay, by default it is set to Google Assistant, so left shortcut, that is in the bottom left side you will see Google Assistant. Okay, and it will directly open without locking into your phone. Okay, if you select other one, touch, now from the lock screen itself you can open touch. See here, a touch icon is available here. Google Assistant is replaced with touch. If you swipe up from the touch icon, touch will be turned on. Okay, see here, it is turned on. Okay, so you can replace Google Assistant with any function. Okay, now I have replaced it with touch. Also there are other functions like lock screen magazine, Snapchat, QR code, etc. Okay, so if you want to completely remove this left shortcut, just select none, last option, so that Google Assistant is completely removed on lock screen. See here, it is removed. Okay, and it is not replaced by anyone, just it is removed from lock screen. In this way you can easily replace or remove Google Assistant shortcut on lock screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.